everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, hotels and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category. So you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surrounding activities on and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room at this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Share your experience in the comment box.